Boss up when you talk to me. Around the ground, around your whole body's where that chocolate be. Bad, half white, other half Puerto Rican. Me, you know I'm quarter player, half hood, quarter G. My Rolex, big FaceTime. My bank account, big FaceTime. My bad, get FaceTime. If not, to give me that waistline. I'm going hard, east, west side, man. Everywhere in the state lines. My niggas, rap, trap, getting rich off that baseline. Like, my girl's disgusting. I looked over to my other girl and told her that she lucky. Me and my dusty, eating up till we husky. I'm in a D-town with my grandma and them. My city love me. If it ain't about the price.
Hi, my name is Angelica Macandili and I'm a senior at Western High School. I plan to pursue a career in the business entertainment industry because I want to influence other people, the good influence dance has given to me. I am a choreographer and I like teaching people. I want to train others to help them grow as a dancer and to help them pursue their dreams. Thank you.